Brawl. Brawl means a noisy fight in a public place. A sentence can be, Michael and Ali had a brawl yesterday at the airport. Diffident. Diffident means not very confident or a shy person. She won't come in front of us because she is too diffident. Skint means having no money. By 20th of every month, I'm always a skint. That's true. Finesse. Finesse means great skill or style. He's not a fit person, he lacks finesse. Chuffed. Chuffed means to be very pleased, proud, or happy with yourself. I have just finished my course, I'm so chuffed. Irate. Irate means very angry. Oh, he has been very irate for many days on your silly actions. Guttle. Guttle means eating or drinking greedily. He doesn't have manners to eat, he was guttling. Pine away. Pine away means to become thin or weak because of sadness or loss. Since his brother died, he spends his days alone, pining away. Exquisite. Exquisite means extremely beautiful and delicate. Your jewelry is exquisite. Amicable. Amicable means peaceful agreement. The whole thing was done on a perfectly amicable and understanding basis. Garrulous. Garrulous means exclusively talkative. Oh, the example must be mine. My friend is exclusively garrulous. He's unstoppable even on an unimportant matter. Gaslighted. Gaslighted means abuse or manipulation. Groom yourself. Ignore people who have gaslighted you. Come on. Waggish. Waggish means playful, mischievous, or humorous person. So I'm a very, very waggish person. Yes, I can say that. Cynosure. Cynosure means a person or thing that is the center of attention or admiration. Newly married couple at their first feast was the cynosure of all eyes. That was all the words we got for you. Now for more words, you can hit the like button and share it with your friends and colleagues and subscribe to Infomercial and Inform. Thank you.